Last class, we just read about the first chapter of your prose book, textbook, that is the priceless gift. And in that class, we just read the first part of your chapter, and today we are going to understand, we are going to find out what is the first part of your first chapter is about. I am reading as well as at the same time trying my best to make all of you understand about the first part of this story. So the first part is, I went to a vegetarian restaurant. It was lunchtime. There were people eating and drinking. The restaurant was very crowded. I saw that some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. I chose the corner table, seated myself and started skimming through the newspaper. So the first paragraph of this first part started with the writer, and he has visited to a vegetarian restaurant, and there he sat on a chair and started skimming on the newspaper. At that time, or at that moment, I noticed a very young girl looking at me. Her eyes were large and they had a sad expression. Nextly, at the time of sitting on the chair, the writer noticed that a young girl was sitting at the same restaurant, and the eyes of that young girl was very big and they were filled with sadness. As she was going out, she asked the cashier in a low voice, "Is that gentleman an Indian?" And when I saw the girl next time, at that time she was asking the cashier that, "Is the gentleman sitting an Indian?" And her eyes were upon me. "I think so," the cashier replied. The girl looked at me once more and went out. Then, after getting the reply of the cashier, the girl left the restaurant. Nextly, it surprised me. Why? What was the matter? Her interest in me aroused my curiosity in her. When I had finished my lunch, I asked the waiter, "Do you know the girl who was sitting out there?" When the writer saw that a little girl who is not known to him, she asked about the writer. The asking of the little girl raised his curiosity about the little girl, and he started asking to the waiter whether he know the little girl or not. Then the waiter replied, "No sir, I notice she has lunch here on Saturdays. She come on paid only, perhaps she does not earn much." And the waiter replied that the little girl came there only on Saturdays, as Saturday was her payday. Okay. I was moved by what he said. The curiosity I felt about the girl persisted. Why had she inquired about me? Who was the mysterious child? I kept thinking of her poverty-stricken and anxious figure. Could I help her in any way? So, when the waiter replied that he did not know the girl properly, but he noticed that the girl usually come to the restaurant only on Saturdays due to lack of money. At that time, the heart of the writer filled with pity. He thought about the poor condition of the little girl. And in this class, we are going to understand what I have read, what I have discussed in India also. So, the first paragraph is about प्रथम paragraph टी होची प्रथम paragraph रे आम लेखक गोटे वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट रेस्टोरेंट को खाइबा को जाइछंती कारण या लंच टाइम रे हेतिला जेतेबेले से सेटारे पहुंची छंती देखी छंती जे सेटारे बहुत लोग खाइबा पीवा कार्य रे नियुक्त अछंती रेस्टोरेंट बहुत भीड़ पड़ी जଣା पड़ुछि जेतेबेले से पहुंची देखी छंती चेयर पाखरे नाही केतरा चेयर एवं टेबल गोटे कोनरे पड़ी रही से गोटे चेयर टेबल आनिकी से बसी कि न्यूज पेपर नहीं ताको टिके पढ़ला परि देखछंती ठीक सही समय से देखी छंती जे गोटे छोट झियो लेखकन को बनाई बसी छी आ से झियो जो बसी छी ता आखी गुडी को ता आखी जोड़ा के बड़ एवं ता आखी रे बिल्कुल साफ जड़ा पड़ुछि ता हृदय भितरे लुचि रहितबा दुख तो जिते बेले झीटी ता खाइबा सारी रेस्टोरेंट छाड़ी बाहर को जीवा आरंभ करी से कैशियर को पचारि जे जो लोकटी बसी से कौन जन भारतीय आ से झीर प्रश्नर उत्तर देवा जाए कैशियर रिप्लाई कर बहुत हुए से जड़े भारतीय होते जवाब शुणला झीटी पुणी थे लेखक को आड़ चाह से रेस्टोरेंट चली जाता तो झीर पचारा विषय नहीं लेखक अति चिंतित हो जाती मन में कहीं से झील ये प्रश्न पचारि जानापी मन में कौतूहल तीव्र बेगरे खेली जाए तापर से जड़े वेटर की पचारि झीटी जो मो पाखे बसीला से जो बसीला तुम जान कि से झीटी किए तो वेटर उत्तर देला ना आज्ञा मुझे झील विषय जाने ना किंतु बहुत दिन देखी आसी से जो झीटी से केवल शनिवार दिन ही आसे बोधे से दिन से किसी पैसा पाई थाए तो वेटर कथा शुणी आम लेखक हृदयटी आहरी से झील विषय जानापी आग्रहित होती से झील विषय जानापी मन में जो उद्वेग था सेपरी समांतर हिसाब से आगे बढ़ी चली मन में से झील प्रति अनेक प्रश्न जागृत होती से झीटी किए कहीं मो विषय से पचारा तार अभाव घर अवस्था केमती से केवल शनिवार दिन ही आसूँ